Okay, it is a little bit windy and a little bit chilly Monday morning, and Mark and I are flying to Williamsport, Pennsylvania.
That's a long trip.
To see Lycoming. Yeah, that's a long way.
That's over 1,800 miles.
We'll get in the air.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit. This prop, you can't show this on the video, but Jason, look at this prop. It's wider than my son.
Okay, we made it to Williamsport. That was kind of a long day. I'm ready to get out of the airplane, but it was fun. It was nice.
Yeah, 6.5 hours. I'd say it's more comfortable than any commercial flight I've been on.
It is more comfortable than that, especially all the waiting and going through all the security. But anyway.
Good trip.
We made it. Okay, it's early Monday and we're leaving the hotel room to go check out the Lycoming factory. We just gotta find somebody to pick us up. Are you our Lyft or our Uber?
I'm Uber Lyft.
I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
All right, I think the coolest thing, Mark, is we're at the Lycoming factory and we're watching them build an engine.
Your motor.
They are putting cylinders on the motor. How cool is that?
And I've seen this before, and I've put cylinders on my motor, but when you see the professionals do it, and then you see their quality control, it makes me feel like a hack. Like I'm a hack.
I don't think these guys are at their first day of work.
No, I think they've done this. It's amazing.
Yeah. Anyway, super great people. Awesome tour. If you ever get a chance, come check out Lycoming. Take the tour.
So this engine right here, which is in the test, is basically a Red Bull engine. It's got 10-to-1 compression, parallel valve 540 engine, so it's a lighter engine, but the bottom part is based off our 580 engine. It's got high oil squirts, and the bottom end will help with the cold air induction, keep the horsepower up. So you guys are gonna get about 300 horsepower, 27 RPM, or you're gonna get a lot more if you bring that prop RPM up even higher.
Perfect.
Nice. I like 300 horsepower.
I like 300 horsepower.
So what do you guys want to see it do?
Make lots of horsepower. We're gonna throw the throttle at this thing and watch what it does.
So Mike, what was the most impressive thing you saw at the factory that you didn't really expect?
That I didn't expect?
Yeah.
Jason Sneed. I thought it was the lab. That lab was amazing. They could do so many cool things in that lab. That was awesome.
Yeah. I think what impressed me was like the just super attention to detail and everything just being very precise and in order.
Yeah, I mean, I expected that.
Yeah.
But the level they do it at is over the top. I mean, you can't misplace a single washer in that joint. Everything is exact. So that made me feel really good. And that's a great shot.
And every employee we talked to just seemed so professional. That was the other thing.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go to the old school pizza place, have a slice of pizza, and fly across the country. Mike's gonna sit in the sardine can. So I think it was what, a little over 4 hours to Wayne something airport in Nebraska. Are we in Nebraska?
This place is awesome.
Yeah, it is cool.
The grass is green, everything's perfect. The ramp, the hangars all look brand new. But for $3.99 a gallon, we took 88 gallons.
Yep.
So one more 3-hour leg and we're home.